Journey today takes us to Yapei in Ghana's Savannah region, where a major bridge development project is currently underway over the White Volta by Maripoma Enterprise Limited. From above, the drone reveals the wide expanse of the river catching through the landscape, with the existing Yapei Bridge standing in place while a new power bridge is rising just beside it. This river, one of the major tributaries of the Volta systems, carries heavy sediment during the rainy season as it flows from Burkina Faso into Ghana. Ghana's river system is mainly shaped by the White Volta and the Black Volta networks. The White Volta at Yapei carries more sediment due to upstream rainfall, while the Black Volta, around such areas as Bupe, is generally more stable and clearer in sections. Together, they support transport, agriculture, and development across northern Ghana. Similar works are also ongoing at Bupe, Daboya, Nawuni, all aim at improving connectivity along the northern transport corridor. The original Yapei Bridge was built in the 1960s during Ghana's early post-independence development era under President Dr. Kwame Nkrumah of the CPP. 9 months after the CPP administration was ousted out of power, it was officially opened in November 1966 alongside its twin bridge at Bupe as part of a national effort to connect regions and open up trade across West Africa. Designed by Ovi Arop and Partners and constructed by the Cementation Company, the bridge became a critical link between northern and southern Ghana and was supposed to stand the test of time for 50 years. 10 years ago, increased traffic load had caused serious structural fatigue, leading to emergency closure and later rehabilitation. Although reopened, engineers confirmed the structure was nearing the end of its design life. Today, instead of replacing it, engineers are constructing a new parallel bridge right beside the existing one to increase capacity and improve traffic flow. Under this arrangement, the system is being split for efficiency. Trucks and vehicles from the northern direction will continue to use the existing Yapei Bridge, while traffic coming from the southern sector, including Techiman, will use the new bridge when it is completed. This dual bridge system will ensure smoother movement, reduces congestion, and improves safety along one of Ghana's most important transport routes. The project is part of the government's Big Push Infrastructure Program, a 10 billion national initiative aimed at accelerating key development projects across the country. Under this framework, funding is secured and payments are fast-tracked to ensure continuous construction without delays. Once completed, this power bridge system will significantly strengthen connectivity between southern Ghana and the Sahel region, improving trade flow and transport efficiency for decades to come.
Na kwantuo ene day yɛde kɔ Yapei ɛwɔ Ghana ɛsrɛ ana Savannah mantam mu. Faako a bridge kɛseɛ dwumadie no ɛrekɔ so ɛwɔ White Volta asubɔnten no ɛso. Maripoma Enterprise ɛna ɛredi saa bridge dwumadie yi. Sɛ yɛhwɛ soro a, drone kyerɛ yɛn sɛ asubɔnten no trɛ wɔ asase no so. Na Yapei bridge dada no gyina hɔ. Na bridge foforɔ nso ɛresɔre ɛwɔ ne nkyɛn. Saa asubɔnten yi de dɔteɛ pii efiri Burkina Faso ɛba Ghana mu. Ɛno nti eduru osutɔbere a nsuo no ani efin. Ghana asubɔnten nhyehyɛe no mu titiriw ne White Volta ɛne Black Volta. White Volta ɛfa Yapei no de dɔteɛ pii ɛba. Nanso Black Volta no a ɛfa Bupe no ɛyɛ dwoodwoo kakra na nsuo no mu ɛda hɔ. Saa nsuo yi nyinaa boa transport akɔneabadie, hweayɔ ɛne nkɔsoɔ ɛwɔ Ghana atifi fam. Bridge dwumadie foforɔ akɛseɛ bi nso ɛrekɔ so ɛwɔ Bupe, Daboya ɛne Nawuni sɛnea ɛbɛma akwantuo ayɛ mmerɛ ɛwɔ Northern Corridor no so. Yapei Bridge dada no wosi no wo mfie 1960s mu na ahofadie echibra Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ebeye president no. Bosome nkron echi no wotu Kwame Nkrumah CPP aban guye na wobue Yapei Bridge no ene bupedie no ewo November 1966 se ebema oman no dwadie kwan etim. Adwumakuo Ovi Arab ene partners ena woye design no na a cementation company enso na wosiye. Sabre no bridge no beye kwan kase a na eka atifi ne anafo Ghana ebom. Na woye bridge no se ebeye adwuma akosi mfie aduonum na se 50 years ansa na ahya ase asei. Ewo afe 2017 mu no lorry akese pii efa so ma bridge no hya ase se esei. Eno nti empanimfo to bridge no emu. Echre no wosan bue nanso engineers kan say ne bra wo se eye adwuma no etwam. Ena de wo si bridge foforo wo dada no enchen na enye se wo beyi dada no agu kraa na emom wo beka abom aye bridge mienu. Enhihye no mu no lorry ne car efri etifi fam ebefa Yapei Bridge dada no eso. Na lorry a efri anafo fam te se Techiman ekotamale no enso ebefa bridge foforo ne so se wo wia. We bema akwanto ayemre traffic eso bete na ahobambo enso beye kese ewo kwan eso. Sa project yi ka big push program no eho. Ghana by enhyehyɛ kese a edisika bebro $10 billion ewramu na ama Ghana infrastructure inkoso akoso intentem. Se adwuma koso a sika enso ba intem na adwuma ye enso ensei. Se wo wie a bridge mienu yi bema Ghana akwantuo ne edwadie kwan akoso yie na ebeka Ghana ene Sahel aman abom mfie pii a ebemu.